Good afternoon to all of you. Thank you everybody for having me. It is gratifying for me to be here today sharing all my plans and projects with you. My name is Natalia Jardim. I was born, raised and educated here in Porto Velho. This city is my home and I want to do my part giving back to my city. Porto Velho has had an inspiring history. People from all over the world came here to Madeira Mamoré Railway because they believed in the great growth potential of this part of Brazil. That became Porto Velho afterwards. I invite you to believe again in our beloved city. I will share with you 3 common problems that I see related to education, our public health system, and our cultural heritage, and propose a solution for them. First of all, Porto Velho has been facing problems regarding the situation of our public schools. The teachers face the lack of minimum structure for classes, and the reality of our public schools is far from what we expect, and the quality of them is below the national average. No air conditioning, broken desks, and old boards are common situations. Besides the poor structure, we have the poor teaching motivated by poor salaries. With this in mind, we must invest in our schools to give a higher quality to our kids, and therefore learning conditions. I propose an architectural plan to reform or build our schools, and provide air conditioning, sports court, lab and library as essential items to all of them. The great challenge of Brazil education is to make sure that our kids ingress the school, stay in it, and be able to apply to the university. But for it, they need qualified teachers. So I suggest promote free qualification courses for teachers of public system. That's how we can do our best to give our kids strong base for an excellent education. Second, is it time to talk about our hospitals. Our biggest public hospital serves only about 40,000 people per year, and it is in precarious situation, like the rest of our health system. We don't have enough useful equipment for all kinds of procedures. We also need more competent doctors and nurses committed to the profession. We face lack of structure, lack of medicaments, and superbugs. We don't have enough hospital beds, and it is common to see patients on the floor and on the hallways. Is this the health system that we want and deserve? We have one of the best health systems in the world, but does not work properly. We need to earmark more resources in our Brazilian sector, such as the structure of our hospitals, such as the professionals' qualification, the creation of integrity network of family and community care to serve the poorest population of the remote areas of our city with doctors and nurses going to them. It is essential to make our health system really efficient. At least, we have one special cultural symbol that needs to be protected, the Madeira Mamoré Railway, which was inaugurated in 1912 and was operated only until 1972. The Madeira Mamoré Railway is no longer seen as a historical and cultural heritage. Nowadays, it is a place where occur many crimes such as drug traffic, prostitution, and assault on tourists. Also, that cultural site is known by the dirty, lack of security, and presence of legal hawkers. The Madeira Mamoré is the embryo of our city. We cannot abandon it. So we need to reform the railway, rebuild the tracks and roads, and put it to work until Guajará-Mirim as an entertainment for our citizens and tourists. I believe that people are responsible for making things happen. So we need to focus on people who serve people. We need to have a good structure to provide conditions to act. Further, we have to recognize the importance of our cultural elements, our history, to enrich our life quality. We need to focus on quality to make life better for people. In the end, it's all about giving our citizens ways to live in a better place, to have a better life, in a new and much better Porto Velho. I'm Natalia Jardim. Let's make Porto Velho a city that's worth living. Let's believe again in our beloved city. Thank you for your attention.